Data analytics is the foundation of AI. Without understanding data, you can't understand or trust the intelligence built on it. This video course is introductory to data analytics for the age of AI. Created by Dr. K. Seefeld. The material used in these videos is in the Text Data Rookie's Introduction to Data Analytics. Available as a free PDF from the website www.dataanalyticscurriculum.com. Chapter 4 Data Wrangling. Welcome to Chapter 4 Section 1, Data Cleaning Techniques. In this lesson, we'll explore how to prepare raw data for analysis by identifying and correcting errors, inconsistencies, and missing information. Learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to handle missing data using imputation, removal, or prediction. Remove duplicate data to ensure accurate results. Identify and deal with outliers. Standardize data formats and types for consistency. Understand how data cleaning improves the overall quality of analysis. What is data wrangling? Data wrangling is the process of cleaning and transforming raw data into a usable format. It prepares messy, inconsistent, or incomplete data so that it can be properly analyzed. This is a critical step before any modeling or visualization takes place. Poor data quality can lead to misleading insights, so effective wrangling ensures clean, structured, and reliable input. Why data cleaning matters. Cleaning your data improves the reliability of analysis and predictions. It removes errors and inconsistencies, helps prevent bias or incomplete results, and allows for valid comparisons and accurate forecasting. Simply put, good analysis depends on clean data. Handling missing data. Missing values are common. They can occur in surveys, system logs, or scraped datasets. If left unaddressed, missing data can distort results or reduce model accuracy. Choosing the right strategy depends on how much data is missing and why. Strategies for missing data. There are three main approaches. Imputation: replace missing values with a calculated estimate, like the mean, median, or mode. Removal: drop rows or columns with too many missing values. Prediction: use regression or machine learning models to estimate missing entries. The right method depends on your dataset and analytical goals. Dealing with duplicate data. Duplicates often arise from system errors or double entry. If not removed, they can inflate counts or distort metrics. To fix this, identify duplicates using unique IDs, timestamps, or key attributes. Then remove or merge them to preserve data integrity. Dealing with outliers. Outliers are values that deviate significantly from the rest of the data. They can result from data entry errors, or they may represent rare but valid events. Either way, they can distort averages, correlations, and models. To handle them, first detect outliers using box plots, interquartile range, IQR, or z-scores. Then decide whether to investigate and correct, remove them if they're erroneous, or keep them if they're valid but rare. Context and domain knowledge are key when making that decision. Standardizing formats and data types. Inconsistent formats can cause major problems when merging or analyzing data. Common issues include mismatched date formats, inconsistent capitalization in categorical labels, or numeric values stored as text. To fix this, convert all variables to consistent types. Apply standard naming conventions. And ensure that every dataset follows the same formatting rules, especially when combining data from multiple sources. Conclusion. Data cleaning isn't glamorous, but it's one of the most important steps in analytics. Clean, standardized, and reliable data lays the foundation for accurate, trustworthy insights.